Welcome to the Harmonic Arts Elixir line. We have a full line here of super tonic hot drinks. This is like the Canadian smoothie. You know when it's cold out and you need a hot drink? Well, don't go for a coffee. Grab an elixir where you can have health-enhancing drink that can give you a lot more energy and drive. Welcome to Kickstart, my friends. Kickstart, well, you all need a little get up and go in the morning, and Kickstart is the right drink for that. Now, this was originally designed as a coffee alternative. And when I was out trying to find different coffee alternatives, all I found were things that mimicked coffee's flavor, but didn't give me the kick. So we designed Kickstart, and Kickstart gives you the kick, mimics the coffee flavor, and has a lot of support for the liver and the adrenals and the blood sugar and all the things that coffee may or may not be so good with working with. So Kickstart's a herbal blend. It's just like our other hot elixirs. You can add it to water, add a little honey and coconut oil if you want, blend it up, or just have it on its own. And this one, my friends, has a full-on cult following. People love this drink. It helps a lot of people get up and go. What's in it? Well, the things that are energizing are your raw cacao, a little bit of maca, also a roasted yerba mate, and guarana powder. These give it some energy, but then along with that, we've blended it in a nice tribe with a bit of dandelion root, some roasted dandelion to help support your liver, as well as ramon nut, or known as Maya nut, which is a beautiful coffee-like flavor. It's kind of relaxing, but energizing at the same time, and sarsaparilla. Now, sarsaparilla is a really great herb for your adrenals and blood sugar. So anyway, try Kickstart today. It's a favorite of mine, has just a delicious, rich, coffee-like flavor, and I know you're gonna love it.